Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Ieman Iskandar bin Azmi. My matric number is J23A0660. Today we would like to present our topic entitled Chemical Analysis Technique for Lignocellulosic Material, a comparative study of wood and non-wood. We are group 15 from Kimia Kayu course, and I will start the presentation with introduction. The introduction is lignocellulosic material are renewable plant-based material that form the structural component of biomass. This material mainly consists of cellulose, hemicellulose and lignin. They can be obtained from wood material as well as non-wood materials such as bamboo and agriculture residues. Due to the increasing demand for sustainable resource, chemical analysis of this material is very important. For the next slide is objective. The objective of this presentation is just to justify the chemical analysis technique used for wood and non-wood material. We also aim to compare the effectiveness of this technique and explain their importance in industrial and research application. Now, I will pass the presentation to the next presenter who will explain about wood material. Okay, thank you.
My name is Hannan bin Muhammad Shamsuri and my matric number J23A0557. I will be presenting on wood material and techniques. Wood material are mainly obtained from forest trees and can be classified into two main groups, hardwood and softwood. This classification is based on their botanical structure and chemical composition. Hardwoods, such as eucalyptus, generally contain a higher proportion of hemicellulose, which contribute to flexibility and easier chemical processing. On the other hand, softwood like pine contain a higher amount of lignin, which provide rigidity and strength to the wood structure. When compared to non-wood material such as agricultural residues, wood has a more uniform and consistent chemical composition. In addition, wood has a lower ash content, which reduces impurities during processing and making laboratory analysis more accurate and reliable. This characteristic make wood an important and preferred raw material in many industrial and research applications. I go to the next slide is techniques for wood analysis. To study and characteristic wood materials, several analytical techniques are commonly used. The first technique is Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy or FTIR. FTIR is used to identify the functional group present in cellulose, hemicellulose and lignin. It is a fast, simple and non-destructive method, making it suitable for routine analysis. The next one is X-ray diffraction, also known as SRRD, is used to determine the crystallinity of cellulose, which is closely related to the mechanical strength, stiffness and durability of wood material. The final technique is gas chromatography, mass spectrometry or GCMS, is used to analyze extractive and low molecular weight compound in wood with high accuracy and sensitivity. However, this technique is more expensive and requires skilled operation. Overall, these technical techniques complement each other and provide a complete and comprehensive characterization of wood material. That is all for me. Next, the following presenter will continue with non-wood material. Thank you.
My name is Zulhemi Fikri bin Zulkhfile and my matric number is J23A0506. I will talk about non-wood material and technique. First, non-wood material. Non-wood lignocellulosic material include bamboo, rice, straw, wheat straw, and knauf. This material usually have higher ash and silica content, shorter fiber, and more variable chemical composition. Because of this complexity, non-wood material require more detailed and quantitative analysis technique. Let's talk about technique for non-wood analysis. One important technique is high performance liquid chromatograph or HPLC, which is used to quantify sugar composition after hydrolysis, especially for biofuel production. FTIR and NMR are also used, where FTIR identifies functional group while NMR provide detailed molecular structure information. Additional wet chemical methods such as acid hydrolysis and Clason lignin determination are applied to obtain accurate composition data. Although these methods are reliable, they are time consuming and involve hazardous chemicals. I will now hand over to the final presenter.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Husyairi bin Malek. My number matric is J23A0694. So, I will present about comparison and application and conclusion. So, my first slide is comparison. In comparison, wood materials are more suitable for spectroscopy techniques such as FTIR and XRD due to their uniform composition. Non-wood material, on the other hand, require chromatography and wet chemical method for higher accuracy. There is no single technique that can fully characterize both materials, so a combination of methods is necessary. So, chemical analysis is very important in many industries. So, application. In the pulp and the paper industry, it helps improve pulping and bleaching invention. In bioenergy and biorefinery application is used to evaluate feedstock sensitivity and sugar formation. This also supports the development of biocomposite and biodegradable material. So my last slide is a conclusion. In conclusion, chemical analysis techniques are essential for understanding lignocellulose material, wood and non-wood material because different analytical approach due to their chemical difference. Each method has its own advantage and limitation, but combined technique provide the most relatable result. It supports sustainability and renewable industry development. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention.